சென்னையில் பாரதிய ஜனதா தலைமையகமான கமலாலயத்தில் பாரதிய ஜனதாவின் தேர்தல் மையக்குழு கூட்டத்திற்கு பிறகு அக்கட்சியின் தேர்தல் பொறுப்பாளர் பிரகாஷ் ஜவடேகர் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அதன் நேரடி காட்சிகளை பார்க்கலாம்.
We made electricity law. We made DISCOM a separate company. In your state, Generation and DISCOM is one company. And that time the situation of distribution was very precarious. Because of the initiative of the NDA government that time, things got improved throughout the country. And now we find that each state electricity board or DISCOMs are in losses. Your last year's Tamil Nadu's DISCOM last year lost is more than 12,000 crores. So it's in lakhs of crores of rupees, and DISCOMs are in bad shape throughout the country. To ensure their turnaround, to increase efficiency, to control losses, and to ensure 24/7 quality power supply to the people, this Uday scheme was launched. This will remove deficiency. This will remove thefts, because there is large amount of thefts in various states which is going on. Theft of electricity, connections without meters. And therefore there are more losses. Those losses need to be controlled. I am happy to report that 18 states, major states, have adopted this scheme. And 18 states includes not only NDA states, but states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Himachal. So it is Congress, SP, BSP, JDU, RJD. All have signed this scheme because they see the obvious benefit. Overall, country will save 1,80,000 crore rupees. That is the scheme. And people will benefit. Who will benefit? People will benefit. So in sum, I can say Tamil Nadu government does not want people of Tamil Nadu to be benefited. Tamil Nadu government is not interested in benefiting honest consumers of Tamil Nadu, but they are interested in benefiting thieves who are stealing the power, or who are stealing electricity. So I repeat, the scheme which has been appreciated by 90% of population of 18 states, unfortunately is not signed by, and I hope that benefit people of Tamil Nadu. It will ensure turnaround of DISCOM. It will bring Tamil Nadu DISCOM out of debt. They will have less interest rates, 30% less interest burden. And there are many other things. This will tremendous benefit to the honest consumers of Tamil Nadu. But Tamil Nadu government is not interested in benefiting honest electricity consumer of Tamil Nadu, but dishonest who put unauthorized connection and they steal the electricity. Government is interested in protecting them. Ujala, it's a win-win solution for our power perils. The LED of 7 watt which used to cost 350 rupees just 2 years ago, with mass bargain for 10 crore LED this year, the price, now the weightage from 7 watt has increased to 9 watt. It gives more light. And this Ujala scheme, the price in open market was 400 rupees for 9 watt. It has come to 200 rupees because of India's massive effort and mass bargains. And now people through government channels are getting it for below 100 rupees. More than 9 crore people throughout the country have benefited, households have benefited. They have taken cheap LED lights. They are saving on their energy bills. But Tamil Nadu government is not cooperating. And therefore, I really fail to understand why this scheme Tamil Nadu government should not have taken up. Because this directly benefits people. Their electricity bills gets reduced and they are benefited. The power is saved. It's a climate change benefit. But Tamil Nadu government is not interested in any of these. As I told in Uday scheme, they are not interested in benefiting honest consumers of electricity in Tamil Nadu, but are ready to give benefit to the dishonest, those who are stealing the power. Now here, in those who profit from a high cost of LED bulbs. That's how it's happening. One more thing I'll say and then I'll take your questions. Tamil Nadu government's attitude is exhibited even in my ministry, where we are considering the Western Ghat issue, Kasturirangan report. There are 6 states around Western Ghats: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. They have submitted their proposal. All 5 states on the western coast have submitted the proposal. Only Tamil Nadu has not given its proposal on Western Ghat. And after we continuously made follow-up, it said that they require time till 16 May. But we are following it up for 1 year. Kerala has submitted and many other states have submitted months ago. But Tamil Nadu did not submit it. So this is not a good approach. We want good governance. Any party may be ruling. Modi government doesn't discriminate. Modi government helps every government because we believe in cooperative federalism. We believe in PM-CM team. But if state is not taking lead, people suffer. That is